Everyone's out today. Yay! Good job! 6:30 on a Friday morning, and just stopped for a check of the bags. One of probably too many, but anyway. Listen to that Arrow exhaust. Today we're off to the Dirty Weekend, which is the adventure motorcycle type festival. So I'm heading from the coastal town of Lake Macquarie up to Tingha, which is just north of Tamworth. So about 430 k's. Bit of an early start, but that's good. Hoping to get there mid-afternoon and try out all the camping gear that I haven't used before. So that's today's mission. It's all about the adventure. Time to let some pressure out of the tyres, hit the dirt. Slippery business, these ones. Go on, you lot, what are you doing? Could be a Mexican standoff here. Come on, big fella, what are you doing? He looks cranky, doesn't he? Come on, do something, mate. I'm checking out escape routes here. Don't like the look of him. Go on, do something. Thanks, matey. He looks cranky too. Cranky, cheer up. There's a lot of cattle yard. Serious business there. So on our way home, 100 k's in, had a flat GoPro battery, so I haven't caught any footage, but yeah, this is where we are. Just stopped for a muesli bar, about 9:30 Sunday morning. Yeah, beautiful weather for a ride. down that dead end. Ooh, back brake. Give it to her. Oh, whiskey throttle. And he's with the hand. And then I was target fixated on you following you across. Yeah. Yeah. What are all those people up on the hill? Police. Right. Mountain bikes. Coming up. Yeah, I'm on your shoulder. Gates closed on the left, gates closed on the left. That was open last week. Was that a goat that looked like a pig or something? Like a big-eared pig. See the little puppy dogs in the back there? Getting a ride. They're only young. The turn, so I'm going to take off and leave him behind. Here's that contradiction on this weekend's ride. Look at that scenery through the trees. Beautiful. We're racing through the bush on big fat heavy bikes with loud exhausts. At 100 k's an hour. Let's go. Trundle into Nundle. Yeah, here we go. You alright, mate? Here you go. Well, it's Sunday, 12:30. We're still on our way home from the camping weekend away in Tingha. Just stopped at Nundle for fuel and lunch. Yeah, you probably see Nundle gets mentioned a lot. It's a convenient fuel stop for, you know, if you're sort of northwest. I only get 330 kilometre range out of my tank, so you have to stop somewhere. Yeah, so we choose to stop there. Just checking my map. Yep. And fuel up, and yeah, now this is the Crawny National Park, Crawny Pass Road. Crawny Pass, people call it. This is one way to get home from Nundle, and there's another way, which is the 20 Creek crossings. Got a car in front, it's going to get dusty. That's right, he's going to wait. What a good chap. What a good chap. You are a champion. Thanks, mate. So the 3 days was, yeah, it's an adventure bike festival, basically. They call it the Dirty Weekend. It's at Tingha, which is, yeah, just, it's near Tamworth, sort of. Up that way. It's about a 500k ride for us. James mapped a 500k route that was mostly dirt, really good riding. Did a good job. And yeah, touch wood, we've had a really good ride, both on Friday on the way up, and we're doing the same cracking reverse today, and it's going really well. The weather's been stunning. Mid-20s, we actually started to get a bit hot before, going through a bit of technical stuff. But yeah, weekend away, my first crack at camping off the bike, and yeah, really enjoyed it. Had great sleep, not fantastic sleep, so they weren't great, but good enough sleep, and didn't wake up sore, and learned how to use the tent, and didn't have to cook or do any of that stuff because it was all catered the weekend. But yeah, enjoyable weekend. They had a few, couple of guest speakers, displays, and yesterday they had a, you would have seen, I've put up some clips of the gymkhana that they had, which was pretty good. Guys getting in and having a go, and girls. So yeah, overall a great weekend and good riding, and yeah, James is great navigator, good company. So now, yeah, this is the homeward bound. So today, yeah, it's probably 4 hours from Nundle, so we'll have to do a bit of tar today to get home at a decent time. So we'll spit out at Singleton, and then we'll hit the expressway for an hour and a bit, and that'll get me home. Yeah, so nice finish to the day, and yeah, hopefully I've got a few bits and pieces along the way to show what that weekend was. So yeah, when someone says a dirty weekend, it wasn't what you'd think it was. It was dirty because it was dusty and bikes and all that sort of stuff. Anyway, hopefully get a bit more footage as we go along, but I'll sign out of the narration. disturbing the peace. Sorry. Everyone's out today. You got to come back from the cattle grid. You got to get back this way. Come on, do something. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Good, 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 good. Good. Wouldn't want your leg caught in that. Come on, stay. Everyone's in the water today. Must be warming up for the cow. They're having a swim. Well, I might sign off here. Hopefully you've got to see something that you mightn't have seen before. And enjoyed the show. So just remember, as you already know, it's all about the adventure, and I'll see you next time.